we're still working on this pile. We went through this rolling cart. We went through this tote. So now we're working on just this piece here. So I'm going to move that tote out of the way and we'll see what. Today we're going to go through this piece of stuff that's fell behind our tote and see what we have here and what's in this container here. See if we can make that look. Okay, let's go through this tote that was over there first. These are letters that goes on a project that I'm working on soon. So I'll put those to a side. And this is also for the same project. Put all these little bows and pom-poms and ribbons in a bag because these bows are dropping everywhere. Try to keep those contained. I'm gonna wind up this ribbon and I'll be back because I got all these ribbons that are unwound. I'm gonna organize our felt into a pile because it's just all over the place. And I started a pile of things that went into our file folder. Okay, now let's see what else is in here. This is fall. I can take this and put this back with my fall stuff. This is Christmas fabric, so take that back with my Christmas. I'll put the fall on top of it. This can go with Christmas. I only found one thing that goes to the trash. This goes to our file folders. There are two things that go to the trash. Get out of our file folder and file these. This goes in Christmas. This one go in. That's cardinal, so it would go. Let's see. Go here. Halloween. That doesn't go with Christmas. That'll go back in the Halloween section. This is Christmas, so I'll put it in the Christmas section. And that'll get that stuff out of our way. Okay, I got another handful of stuff. Let's see where it goes. This can go to Christmas, back with my Christmas. Found some more of these. These can go in the stack with the rest. Same way with this. This I'm going to put over with my other wood cutouts. because it's for spring and I'll be doing that soon. Even though it's like freezing. This is trash. This can be filed, this can be filed. Put this in with the scraps. Now we'll bring our file folder back. This is Halloween and one Christmas. I don't know about you, but here we are under a extremely cold weather advisory. They're calling for, I think, minus 25 wind chills. Is everybody else like that? I don't even remember what this is. Oh, all kinds of mystical kind of Halloween-y type things. In pink and black, of course, right up my alley with the pink and black. I love that. Kind of shabby chic style, boho, whatever you want to call it. I really like that. I'll put that with a Halloween. And same with these hats. Hey, it makes me, I have a Halloween collab coming up. Maybe I could pull that out and that out and find something to do a fun Halloween DIY for my oh wow, they got some neat ones. I got this at Temu. Yeah, this one would be fun to put on a one of these hats. Say this with the flowers on the hat, or maybe even the butterfly. The butterfly won't fit. I don't know, I'll find one that will work. Oh, that one might work, it's just flowers. I think I'll do that for a DIY. We're going through this pile next. I always keep the sunflowers because in the fall I use so many. This will go with the Christmas back to the fall floral. I'm going to keep this. I was going to do a project with that and I haven't. And now I forget what I was going to do. You know, that happens. And I got this fur for Halloween, so I'm going to fold it up. And I'll have that in the thing to go back to the fall and Christmas and Halloween stuff. Same way with this. This can go back to Christmas because I'm not going to be using that now. Same way with that. More fall flowers, they can go back there. Okay, let's see what I can. All these goes for Halloween. They're little tiny Halloween cutouts. And there's a Christmas one. I'm gonna put this in the stuff that goes away. I don't know where the U came from. I'll just slide that in there. guess I could rip that and make a rag boat, but it's not that great of a piece. Same way with that. I guess I'll put it in my scrap bag. It's nice to have one container where all your scraps goes. Then when you need something small for a project, you can go see what you have in your miscellaneous bag or sometimes tote. And the rest of the stuff on the table, I think all but this pipe cleaner, I'll keep the pipe cleaner. I think could go to the trash. Here is the final results of what I cleaned up. Nothing laying behind this tote, nothing there in the center. Container is going back to be put away in with my other seasonal DIY.